Welcome back. In this video, I will guide you how to insert medical symbols in Word document. If you want to insert stethoscope symbol, then you need to type the Unicode 1FA7A and press Alt X all together. So for to insert the pill or capsules symbol, you need to press 1F4 8 A and press Alt X all together. And if you want to insert a drop of blood symbol, then you need to press 1F7 8, press Alt X all together. So to insert the X-ray symbol, you need to type 1F7B and press Alt X all together. So for the adhesive bandage symbol, you need to press 1F7 9, press Alt X together. So for the thermometer symbol, you need to type 1F321, press Alt X all together. And to insert the DNA double helix symbol, you need to type 1F9EC and press Alt X all together. And to insert the hospital shield symbol, you need to type 26E8 and press Alt X all together. So if you want to insert the wheelchair symbol, you need to type 267F and Alt X all together. So the microbe virus symbol, you need to type 1F9A0, press Alt X all together. And for the radioactive symbol, you need to type 2622 and press Alt X all together. So I have written all the shortcut codes here for your convenience. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.